Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, where we explore the most innovative and inspiring homes from around the globe. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a growing trend that's pushing the boundaries of what a home can be, the two-story container home. So, what exactly is a two-story container home? It's exactly what it sounds like, a residential structure built using multiple steel shipping containers stacked one on top of the other to create a second floor. This clever use of prefabricated modules allows for a surprisingly spacious and architecturally unique living space. These aren't just one-room shacks, they are fully fledged, multi-level homes with all the comforts and amenities of a traditional house. Architects and builders are using these durable, standardized boxes to create everything from cozy cabins to sprawling luxury estates. The beauty of the two-story design is that it maximizes vertical space, making it perfect for smaller plots of land while still providing ample living area for families. Why are so many people choosing to build two-story container homes? The benefits are a compelling mix of practicality and innovation. First and foremost, they are incredibly cost-effective. Shipping containers are abundant and significantly cheaper than traditional building materials, which can drastically reduce construction costs. This affordability makes homeownership more accessible to a wider range of people. Secondly, the construction process is much faster. Since the structural shell is already in place, the time required for framing and exterior work is drastically reduced, allowing you to move in much sooner. They are also remarkably durable. Designed to withstand the rigors of ocean travel, these steel boxes are resistant to pests, fire, and harsh weather conditions. Finally, building with containers is an eco-friendly choice. By repurposing these retired containers, you're preventing them from becoming industrial waste and reducing the demand for new building materials, making it a great way to embrace sustainable living. Now, you might be thinking, how do I make a big metal box look like a beautiful home? That's where creativity comes in. The key is to blend the industrial aesthetic of the containers with more traditional or modern design elements. Start with the color palette. While the classic container colors are popular, you can transform the look completely with a fresh coat of paint. Think matte black for a sleek, modern look, or a vibrant pop of color for a fun, eclectic vibe. Adding exterior cladding, like wood siding or brick veneers, can soften the industrial edges and create a warmer, more inviting appearance. Large windows and glass doors are essential. They not only let in an abundance of natural light, but also break up the solid steel facade, connecting the interior with the outdoors. Don't forget landscaping. Thoughtful planting, a well-placed deck, and even a spiral staircase can turn a simple structure into a stunning architectural statement. The versatility of shipping containers allows for a wide range of architectural styles. Here are some of the most popular. First, modern industrial. This style embraces the raw, metallic look of the containers. Think exposed steel, black finishes, and large, grid-patterned windows. It's all about celebrating the container's origins. Second, rustic farmhouse. By adding natural materials like reclaimed wood siding and stone foundations, you can give your container home a cozy, rustic feel that looks like it belongs in the countryside. Third, minimalist and Scandinavian. Focus on clean lines, a simple color palette, often black, white, and wood, and a focus on functionality. The two-story structure is perfect for creating distinct living and sleeping zones. Fourth, coastal and beach house. This style uses light, airy colors, expansive glass doors to maximize ocean views, and features like wooden decks and outdoor living spaces to create a relaxed seaside retreat. contemporary, and eclectic. This is for the bold and artistic. Mix and match colors, shapes, and materials. You can combine different container layouts, add unique angles, and create a truly one-of-a-kind home. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's get inspired by our hand-picked top 10 two-story container homes that you can choose for your next project. 1. The multi-container compound. This expansive design uses multiple containers arranged to create a spacious and modern multi-level compound. The black exterior, contrasted with the light wood deck, provides a sleek and contemporary feel. The two-story center section features a balcony that overlooks the yard and outdoor dining area. The clever placement of the containers creates distinct living zones, offering both privacy and a sense of community. 2. The modern black box. Simple, sleek, and sophisticated, this home uses a striking matte black finish to achieve a minimalist yet powerful look. The clever stacking of two containers creates a dramatic overhang, while the large picture windows on both levels provide stunning views and flood the interior with light. Surrounded by natural grasses and trees, this design proves that a container home can be as elegant and refined as any traditional build. 3. The tropical beach house. This container home is a perfect vision of a modern tropical escape. The light wood cladding beautifully conceals the steel structure, giving it a warm and natural appearance. A second-story balcony provides an ideal vantage point for taking in the stunning ocean view. The clean lines and large glass doors create a bright and airy feel, making it the perfect home for a sunny, seaside location. 4. The industrial barn loft. This unique design uses a large, barn-like metal structure as a shell, with two orange shipping containers placed within it to create a two-story living space. The immense glass walls and barn doors can be opened completely to blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. The symmetrical design, featuring a central seating area and dual staircases leading to the upper container rooms, creates a grand, cathedral-like atmosphere. 5. Sunset Serenity. This symmetrical design is perfectly framed by a brilliant sunset, highlighting the seamless connection between the two container sections. A glass-enclosed walkway and entrance hall bridge the gap between the separate wings, creating a spacious and airy feel. The combination of industrial corrugated steel and warm interior lighting makes this home look both modern and incredibly welcoming, especially as it glows against the dramatic sky. 6. The Lakeside Retreat. This stunning home is a perfect example of how to build a container house that feels like a luxury resort. The black containers with large glass facades are arranged to create an open courtyard and outdoor deck area, complete with a pool. The multi-level wooden stairs not only serve a functional purpose, but also act as a beautiful design element, connecting the different sections of the house and leading to the water's edge. 7. The Elevated Blue-Hued Duplex. This striking design showcases two containers elevated on a bright blue steel frame, creating an open, sheltered ground floor perfect for parking or a shaded patio. A central spiral staircase adds a touch of artistic flair, leading to the second-story balconies. The light-colored containers with prominent white railings give the home a clean, modern aesthetic that stands out with its bold color accents. 8. The Forest Retreat. Nestled among a lush green landscape, This two-story container home is a masterpiece of integration with nature. The red containers stand out against the backdrop of tall pine trees, while a clever bridge connects the two separate container structures. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows on both levels allow residents to feel immersed in the surrounding forest, bringing the outside in and creating a true woodland sanctuary. 9. The COR10 Steel Cliffside. A bold and artistic expression, this home features a combination of weathered steel and dark corrugated metal. The upper container section is cantilevered dramatically, creating a striking visual effect, while a contemporary exterior staircase leads to a glass-railed balcony. The rustic, earthy tones of the COR10 steel allow the home to blend seamlessly with the rocky, grassy landscape, proving that a container home can be both innovative and perfectly natural. The urban Gabion Wall residence. Blending industrial chic with a touch of natural elegance, this home combines a ground floor of textured brick-like blocks with a cantilevered second floor of stacked shipping containers. The Gabion stone walls lining the driveway are a stunning feature, providing both a structural element and a rustic visual contrast to the sleek container facade. Large windows and ambient lighting create a warm and inviting atmosphere. There you have it, 10 incredible examples of how two-story container homes are redefining modern living. From rustic retreats to sleek urban pads, these homes are a testament to what's possible when you think outside the traditional box. They offer a unique blend of sustainability, affordability, and architectural innovation that's hard to beat. If this video has sparked your imagination, hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more inspiring content. Let us know in the comments which of these homes was your favorite and what you'd like to see us feature next. We'll see you in the next video.